Hey guys, Jason here again. We're folding the Spanish coin. I've got it that far, wobbling like crazy. There's also some pretty big surface cracks that I'd seen before starting, but they're not getting into the middle of the coin yet, so they're still staying on the outside, but they are expanding, so just working it real slow. I've annealed it like, I don't know, 7 times already. I'll go down like a 1/16 of an inch and take a look under the microscope. Let's go take a look at the microscope and see if we can see that. So there's the surface cracks, but nothing in the middle yet. And the one side is thinner, so that's folding first, as I thought it would. So yeah, the thinner side's like this, thicker side's like that. So just taking it slow. So all right, wish me luck. See you in a bit.